All right, letter D is a subtraction problem, and I know this because there's a big subtraction sign right there. So I know I don't like to really subtract things, but I am going to distribute a -1 to both of these signs so that I can combine all my like terms. So I'm just going to rewrite everything outside of the parentheses. I'm taking the -2 out, the plus 4i. I'm changing this 3 into a -3, and this positive 9i into a -9i. And now I'm going to look for my like terms. Let's deal with my real numbers first. I see that I have a -2 and a -3, so those are going to combine to give me a -5. And I see that I have a positive 4i and a minus 9i, so these are going to combine to give me a -5i. All right, letter E is also a subtraction sign, but we're going to distribute a -2 first before we combine our like terms. So I'm just going to rewrite what's inside of the parentheses. So 5 minus 2i. Then I'm going to distribute that -2 onto the 3, which is going to turn it into a -6. And then -2 times I, which is going to be -2i. And then locate my like terms. I have a real number here of 5 and a real number of -6, so combined they're going to give me -1. And then I have a -2i and a -2i, and those are going to give me a -4i's. All right, this one's a distribution problem, so I'm going to distribute 3i to both of these terms. So 3i times 6 is going to give me 18i. And 3 times -5 is going to give me 15, and I times I is going to give me I squared. So I know I can't have an I squared, so I squared, anything I squared is going to turn into a -1. So it's like I am multiplying a -1 to the -15, which makes it a positive 15. And then I can list my imaginary number. So my answer, I'm looking at 15 plus 18i.